Breaking news on the classified documents case. Let's get right to Ken Dilanian. Ken.
Jose, in a remarkable development, Judge Aileen Cannon in Florida has dismissed the indictment against Donald Trump in this classified documents case and his co-defendants on the grounds that the appointment of the special counsel violated the Appointments Clause of the Constitution. This is an issue that has been litigated in other special counsels, has never succeeded, but Judge Aileen Cannon has accepted the arguments of the defense that the appointment of Jack Smith and other special counsels by inference has been improper and illegal. And I'll just read you briefly from the opinion here. She says the bottom line is this: the Appointments Clause is a critical constitutional restriction stemming from the separation of powers, and it gives to Congress a considered role in determining the propriety of vesting appointment power for inferior officers. The government's position, she says, effectively usurps that important legislative authority, transferring it to a head of department. Let me translate that. The Attorney General appoints the special counsel. There's no law, there's no act of Congress establishing the office of special counsel after the independent counsel law went away. What Donald Trump's lawyers argued is that that's improper. The special counsel has a lot of power. He should be established by law and confirmed by the Senate, and he's not. And Judge Aileen Cannon has accepted that argument and dismissed this indictment. Now, this is very likely to be appealed by the special counsel to the circuit court. It may go all the way up to the Supreme Court. And what's really interesting here, Jose, is in the immunity opinion, Judge Clarence Thomas filed a concurrence where he raised this issue, and he all but said that he believed that the appointment of Jack Smith and other special counsels was unconstitutional under the Appointments Clause. And many of us said at the time that that was, in essence, giving Judge Cannon a leg to stand on here if she wanted to rule in this direction, which no other judge, Jose, no other judge has ruled. And now she's done that, and she has dismissed the indictment in the classified documents case against Donald Trump and his co-defendants.
The entire indictment dismissed by Judge Cannon.
That's correct.
Right? They have been fuming over Aileen Cannon standing up to Jack Smith and this political persecution. But who knows? Jack Smith is trying to get that case revived. We'll see if he's successful with that. He's also trying to get ahead of the Supreme Court when it comes to the January 6th case, in which he had the homework assignment of figuring out which acts that Trump participated in on January 6th or leading up to January 6th are official acts and which acts are private acts, okay? Acts that are not immune from prosecution, okay? And Jack Smith has refiled his indictment, the January 6th indictment, against Trump with his homework complete, right? He's outlining the things that he believes are private acts, and he's saying that, hey, Trump can be charged based off these things. However, the problem is, while liberals are celebrating this, it's not going to make this case move any fast. So we're definitely not getting a trial before the election, which is something that the mainstream liberal media and the left, this is what they want so badly, because they want to try to rig the outcome of the election. And this is Jack Smith's last-ditch effort to do this. It is a reminder of what is at stake, okay? Because we cannot forget, if Trump loses this election, it is likely that he's going to go to jail, okay? Democrats are relentless in their political persecution of Trump. They're going to put him behind bars, okay? This is a must-win election for Trump, okay? And that's what people have to understand. This is the most important election of our lifetimes, because if Trump loses, then it's game over, right? He is going to jail, okay? They're not going to stop until he is in prison. However, if he wins, then the federal cases basically go away, and the state cases, it looks like they're going to fall apart on their own, which is going to be explained by CNN's chief legal analyst, Eli Honig. So let's get